Hello everyone, my name is Momon Bhaur and I'm an intern at Intellify. For more information, please log on to www.intellify.in. Today we are going to study Class 7 Mathematics, Chapter Algebraic Expressions. In this video, we are going to discuss on the topic finding the value of an expression. So let's begin. Finding the value of an expression. We have already learned previously how to find the value of an expression. An expression will be given to you and the value of the variable that is it will be given to you and you have to find the value by putting the value of those variables. Let's find out how. First example 19 minus 5x square. Find the values of the following expression for x equals to 2. So putting the value of x in this expression we get 19 minus 5 into 2 square which is equals to 19 minus 5 into 4. 2 square equals to 4. So hence it is 5 into 4 which is 20. So 19 minus 20 is equals to minus 1. Next expression 100 minus 10x cube. So putting the value of x as 2 we get 100 minus 10 into 2 cube is equals to 100 minus 10 into 8 where 2 cube is equals to 8. So 100 minus 80 which is equals to 20. Find the value of a following expression when n equals to minus 2. So here in n we will put minus 2. So 5n square plus 5n minus 2. So putting the value of n equals to minus 2 we get 5 into minus 2 whole square plus 5 into minus 2 minus 2 which is equals to 2 square minus 2 squared is equals to 4. So 5 into 4 then 5 into minus 2. So plus and minus we will get minus. So 5 into 2 10. So minus 10 then minus 2 which is equals to 20 minus 10 minus 2 which is equals to 8. Next n cube plus 5n square plus 5n minus 2. So putting the values of n equals to minus 2 we get minus 2 whole cube plus 5 into minus 2 whole square plus 5 into minus 2 minus of 2. So minus 2 whole cube we get as minus of 8 and minus 2 whole square is we get as 4. So 5 into 4 then 5 into minus 2 which is equals to minus of 10 and then minus 2. So therefore minus 8 plus 20 minus 10 minus 2 which is equals to 0. Find the values of a following expression for a equals to 3, b equals to 2. So different values of a and b are been given to you. Then you have to solve the expressions by putting the value of a equals to 3 and b equals to 2. First, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here in space of a we are putting 3 and in space of b we are putting 2. So 3 square plus 2 into 3 into 2 plus 2 square. So 3 square is equals to 9 plus 2 into 3 into 2 we get 12 plus 2 square is equals to 4. The sum is equals to 25. Next, a cube minus b cube. Again putting the value of a equals to 3 and b equals to 2 we get 3 cube minus 2 cube. So 3 into 3 into 3 which is equals to 27 and 2 into 2 into 2 which is we get 8. So 27 minus 8 is equals to 19. Next, what should be the value of a if the value of 2x squared plus x minus a is equals to 5 when x equals to 0? So equation is equals to 5 is already given to you. So we will write as this expression 2x squared plus x minus a is equals to 5. It is already mentioned. Now we will find the value of a when x is equals to 0. So we will put the value of x is here as 0 and then we will find the value of a. So putting the value of x equals to 0 we get 2 into 0 square plus 0 minus a which is equals to 5. So 0 square is 0 and 2 into 0 is 0. plus 0 minus a is equals to 5. Then we get a is equals to minus 5. Simplify the expression and find its value when a equals to 5 and b is equals to minus 3. Again, an expression has been given to you and you have to put the value of a is equals to 5 and b is equals to minus 3. So 2a square plus ab plus 3 minus ab. We will solve by now opening the bracket. So 2 gets multiplied with a square and ab. So we get 2a square plus 2ab plus 3 minus ab. Now what we have done over here, 2a square plus 2ab minus ab plus 3. We have combined, or basically we have placed the like equations or the like terms side by side. So we get 2a square plus 2ab minus ab plus 3, as 2ab and minus ab are like terms, so we have put them side by side so as to do further subtraction or addition, whatever. So we get 2a square plus ab, because 2ab minus ab is equals to ab plus 3. Now we get the three unlike terms. Now we will be putting the value of a equals to 5 and b is equals to minus 3. So 2 into 5 square plus 5 into minus 3 plus 3. So 2 into 5 square is equals to 25, and 5 into minus 3 becomes minus of 15 plus 3, which is equals to 50 minus 15 plus 3, which is equals to 38. Thank you.